Hi everyone, April here from Lilac Peaches Handmade. When creating a high chair or birthday banner, a fun way to mix it up a little is to create a shaker banner. You'll need your cardstock cutouts, acetate, craft glue, I used both Bearly Arts and Beacon 3-in-1, tall foam tape, ribbon, and your choice of confetti mix. I start off by piecing together all of my elements to get the little pieces out of the way, then move on to gluing my background piece to each pennant, along with the little guide cutout for where my foam tape is going to go. Once all of my individual pieces have been put together, I take my foam tape and line it along the cutout guide I placed over my printed background. I do this for all 3 pennants and make sure that there are no gaps so that none of the confetti mix will come out. Next is a fun part where you sprinkle your confetti mix inside the base that you have created. To seal up your shaker, you're going to peel the backing off your foam tape and place the acetate over it. Make sure you clean your acetate before applying. I like to use eyeglass cleaner or rubbing alcohol to clean my acetate so there's no static and the confetti doesn't stay stuck and can move freely inside the shaker. Once your shakers are all sealed up, it's time to cover your foam tape with your cardstock cutout pieces. Next, you'll pop your elements on top with foam tape. When stringing my banner, I like to glue a little strip in the back to hide the punched out holes. I use a large needle and thread the ribbon through for ease. Hope you enjoyed!